Hey, welcome to my new video, and today we talk about effective practicing. If you learn something new on the guitar, like a tricky solo or a fast riff, you have to slow down everything a little bit. Today I like to practice Message in a Bottle. The first thing is it's these four chords: C sharp, power chord, then A, then B, and F sharp. And you have to add, not the power chord, you have to add to every chord the 9. So when you play slowly, when you practice slowly, you first look that you get this finger angle. So I always think of a ball, and I have to catch the ball, and my left hand goes like this. And then I can easily play this chord. So at first I do the John Mayer thing. He's played, or you can play just look that everything is in flow and it feels good for you. After that, you add the picking in the right hand. One slide. So the thing is, you have to look at every note. How long is it? Does it sound good? Nothing like that. Or if you have a fast solo or a section like a Sweet Child of Mine, the moment when the wah-wah goes in and he plays this part. I always look at the scale and I practice the scale so I get the tones in my finger. And then I learn single steps, small steps. From the beginning to the bending. And on and on and on. But first I play it slow. And then you can make your own song out of it. Something like that. Be creative with the tone material. So the next one, number 2. All right, I hate to say it, but the best thing you can do is use the metronome. I've got this one. It's around 20 years old. But yeah, it's always on my side. Now you can have it everywhere with your smart device. There are a lot of free apps. You don't have to buy a metronome. You can use the free stuff, and yeah, it keeps you in time. It's your drummer if you want, and that's really the best thing. So if you have a new tune, then you start slow, and I like to set it around 50 or 60 BPM, and can play something like. always have the metronome on, and then when it works, I go a little bit faster, maybe 80. And I know the song is around 100, but this is 80. In the end, I want to have this original tempo, and it's around 100. It goes like this. That's metronome thing. Number 3 is focus on what's hard to play. If there's a part or a technique that's hard for you, focus exactly on that. So if you like to play a jazz standard and there's this one half diminished chord, you are always afraid of, so you have to focus on this chord and practice exactly this chord for a while. And you can check out every arpeggio. You can check out every drop 2 voicing, you can check out every scale. And so it takes 3 or 4 weeks, and then this chord is your friend. And you never be afraid of it. Focus on your problems and on the difficult things, not on the things that are easy for you. Number 4, have fun. And this is really, really, really important. You have to practice, that's sure. 20 minutes. If I have 30 minutes, I practice 20 minutes, play 5 minutes or 7 minutes, and have 3 to 5 minutes rest. I do nothing, or drink something, or make yoga. No, I don't do something different. I go to the toilet. But yeah, I have a program from 20 minutes, and I practice scales, or I practice some runs or something difficult, and then I just have fun and play. Something I'm happy when I play it, and yes, so you should do the same. So number 4, have fun. It's important. Number 5. Normally, when I play guitar, I play it in this room and practice here. But sometimes I've got concerts or go on tour. At least I play around 100 shows a year, so I'm play a lot. But I always think of playing in front of people when I practice. It helps me to concentrate and stay focused. So when I practice on scales, I don't think of playing in front of people. But when I have a difficult part in a song, I practice it, and then I play the song, and I think of the audience and see how I play this, and it helps me to stay focused and not be nervous, because I already practice the performance in my practice room. So yeah, think of playing in front of people when you are not playing in front of people. Number 6, oh, I only can play blues, or I only can play rock, or I only play jazz. Hey, that's all right. But if you like different things, or sounds like your own, and you are a blues player, but you like jazz as well, try to figure some things out. Maybe you have an A minor chord, and you always play some pentatonic with one cool blue note. So try to add something new. Maybe you try to add the 9. It's a little bit jazzier. But it's also blues. This is all A minor, and it's all pentatonic with the blue note, and I play the ninth and sometimes the sixth. Add something special to your playing. So, next one, don't forget the basics. Look at your sound. Look that you sound good and you feel well. Try to play in time. That's always the main thing. Timing, good sound, a good attitude, playing guitar. And yeah, yes, of course, learning some music theory. It's always a good thing. So that's the three things: time, sound, and theory. Before you practice, get ready mentally. Find a quiet place. It can help you to focus better. Only 2 left. So record you sometimes, so I can look at my progress in this time. And I highly recommend that to you. Make a small iPhone handy video and look how you progress. That's an amazing thing, an amazing tool in our times. So use it. Yeah, last tip for today is practice regularly. Some days I don't have many time. I only have maybe 30 minutes, so I practice 25 minutes and 5 minutes rest. I think about the next day in this 5 minutes. If I have 60 minutes, I always take the rest from 5 minutes. But I practice 25 minutes, 5 minutes rest, 25 minutes, and then I think about the next day, write it down. And so you can do the same. I think it works very well, and I think it works for you too. So regular practice don't mean you have to practice 8 hours and then you don't have to practice the rest of the week. Only 8 hours a week. So it's better to practice 30 minutes a day and every day, or 6 days a week. And then you have the cheat day on day 7 or something like that. So try to practice constantly at the same time of the day, if it's possible for you. I always practice in the morning, and my whole family sleeps at this time, and so I can practice and concentrate the most. The cool thing about this is you get better every single day. Always takes small steps, but hey, that's the atomic habit, I think, James Clear. You always get a little bit better. But in the end of a week, or the end of a month, or the end of the year, you are a lot better. And that's the amazing thing about the regularly practicing. So thank you for watching. This is how I work out, and this is my way to get better. I hope you learn a lot. Thank you for watching. There are a ton of cool things in this lesson. And yeah, if you want more news, please subscribe to my channel and get my newsletter in the description, so you can get all the information from my courses and all my tour plans and the PDFs to every video. And yeah, you can get more informations, and that's all. Maybe you want to ask some questions. Always write me in the comments. I'm happy about every comment and every heart. So have a good time and see you soon.